Hey guys, it's Kim here with Fairly Fiber Fun. Thanks for joining me today. I thought I would share with you guys some plying action here. I am using my Babe Production spinning wheel and doing a traditional 3-ply from the Texel Gulf Coast Native cross breed, completely unscoured, spun in the grease, completely raw and dirty, and just plying it up for a nice round fluffy yarn that will be scoured later. So there are as many ways to do this type of plying as there are ways to spin the singles. I am doing something very simple. I wanted to just fly through this, so I'm using the super high-speed whorl I created on this bobbin using the hot glue gun. And as you can see, my feet are going slow and my hands are going really fast because this gives me around, I think, 32 twists per treadle. And so this is a thicker yarn. It does not require a huge amount of twist per inch, so I can ply quite quickly, and I really enjoy working fast. Now, one of the things I love about this wheel is that little action right there. I can literally set the yarn apart, attach the singles to my wheel in such a way that they don't get all tangled up, and get up and go do something and come back and pick it up with complete ease. There is Velcro pieces at the top of the wheel, and I hook one single around one side of the brake band or the orifice hook. I stick one single to the Velcro and I put the other single around the other side of the wheel like this. And it stays that way and it does not get all tangled up, which is really important when you have to get up and walk away from your plying. Other than that, I do like to keep the singles separated in my fingers until the twist is being added into them. So I try to keep both hands, the fingers of both hands, separating the singles. And only what's in front of my front hand is twisting up and allowed to touch each other. So I hope that was clear as mud. This is a very fun way to ply yarn, and it goes really fast and get a lot of yardage. The downside is you spend a whole lot more time spinning your singles than you would if you were chain plying, but you end up with a lot more yardage in the end run. I did get 2 skeins of yarn from this because my 3 bobbins were completely full. I ran out of the first one and had to spin up some more, and then I finished plying and got the second skein of yarn. So I got a lot of yarn from this, and I'm really pleased. I won't have a yardage or a weight for this until I scoured the skeins, but it is what it is, right? So thank you for hanging out with me, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. As always, I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and stay safe, stay well, and have fun. Bye guys.